folks, so welcome back. I'm down at the Secret River. I got here this morning probably about 4:30. Tried another couple of swims for carp and nothing, but anyway, today I've got my float fishing gear, ledger rod, so we'll see how we get on. Right, let's get the rods out. Hey Chub. Right guys, so I'm just looking in the swim next to me and look. Someone's been having a beer, but that's not a problem, but take your bloody litter home with you. What is it with people?
What are you doing?
There we go. Put that where I can find it again. Right guys, I'm in a different swim and look at that. Red Admiral has just landed on my... Right, so I'm on a different swim and I've got a method feeder. Let's unhook that. Right, so I've got a method feeder with a hair rigged pop-up bit of corn and some worm. So we'll get that out and we shall see how we get on with that. nice slab. Right, let's get him back. Good size bream. Right folks, so we're baited up again. Let's get that out and see if we can get another bream. Good if he had my bittersweet corn on that float. Ooh, I might get a dog biscuit out, he's just taken one.
Our survey said...
Right then guys, I'm not sure how much longer I'm going to be down here. It is bloody hot. Yeah, it's coming up to midday. All you can see, a chub just sat on the top, probably 3-4 pound. Oh. So if they're not interested, then nothing's going to be interested. So I'll give it a little bit longer, see how we go. There's been a load of chub just kind of cruising around on the top, so I shallowed up my float. And I just piled on loads and loads of worms, and it was just wriggling like mad. I cast out and yeah, it landed right next to one and it just sat there, not interested at all. So if you see him cruising around on the top, forget it. You're just wasting your time. So yeah, well, like I say, it's getting on. It's just after midday, and the heat, it's yeah, pretty warm. No wonder the fish are just sat there in the sun doing nothing. So I'm probably going to call it a day shortly, and yeah, we'll give it a go another day.
A few moments later.
We've got another slab. Another bream. Right, let's get him back. Wait for him to recover a bit. And off he goes. Right then guys, I'm going to call that a day now. End of a session. So no carp as we were trying for, but 2 bream, couple of little chub and roach, perch and stuff like that. So thanks for joining me, and again, if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Hit the subscribe button and the like, bell icon. Nice one. Alright then guys, see you later.